Hey everybody, I am Sue Skirvin, first of all, friends of Vicki, and I did want to pop on here because I saw her post about her open party, helping her to earn her MicroPro grill. I think she called it something else, but it's the MicroPro grill that she's excited about, and I thought I'd tell you a little bit about it because I think it is a pretty unique piece and we use it all the time at our house. First of all, it's all metal lined all the way around, so microwaves do not touch any of the food that's inside here. It's actually shielded by that metal exterior, and the reason that can go in the microwave is because there's more silicone all the way around than there is metal. So anything you put in here is actually cooked by the susceptors, and the susceptors are molded into the underside of the cover and into the underside of the base. And so those susceptors grab the microwave energy, convert it into thermal energy, and that's what cooks your food. So it'll actually brown or blacken anything from chicken breasts, hamburger patties, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, zucchini, anything that you put in here, you can cook it in one of two ways. You can either cook it in the casserole position, which you put the top on or cover on, so it kind of straddles it. There's a little opening here and a little opening here. It actually will also bake in your microwave oven. I'm gonna share my banana bread here in just a minute that I baked this morning, but you can bake in your microwave oven like zucchini or a cobbler, or you can reheat things like anything with a crusty exterior, like a slice of pizza or a Cuban sandwich or a panini or anything like that. This heats up to 425 degrees and this heats up to 425 degrees in less than 3 minutes, and it maintains that temperature kind of like a smart appliance would. So it'll heat from the top and then also cook or heat from the bottom. Or you can turn it this way, and this is the way I probably use it the most, because now you're gonna cook both sides of whatever's in there at the same time. So I mentioned hamburger, chicken, fish, vegetables, anything like that where you wanna, even a grilled cheese sandwich, the kids can do their own, or chicken fingers, or anything like that. Putting it in this position, they're getting the heat from here and the heat from here together, so it cooks it way faster, and it's safe for even the kids to use, because I mentioned this is silicone, so it's cool touch handles. So you don't have to worry about them burning themselves. The ring that I had in here is actually a piece that comes with it, and you can do things like cakes or this banana bread, which, like I said, that was the first time I made that this morning, and it was so easy to do. So, but anything that you put in here, make sure it's non-metal. There's 3 things that void the warranty. One is anything metal, so don't put anything, even to flip that chicken breast, okay? It should be silicone or wooden or plastic of some sort. We have our KP tools, which are great, and flippers too. No metal, no dishwasher, but you don't need it, okay? That actually has a non-stick Eterna coating on it, so nothing sticks and nothing burns. Even when you bake ziti in here, you guys, you can put a little bit of hot soapy water, let it sit, take a sponge and wipe it out. That's it. I didn't mention, there's a little reservoir around the outside. There's no susceptors underneath that little canal, if you will. So when you do have chicken or hamburger or anything that excretes juice, those juices will go into that little canal, but they're not gonna pop, pop, pop and make a mess in your microwave because there's no susceptors or no heat under there. Pretty cool, huh? They really thought of everything when they made this. So nothing metal, no dishwasher, and no sprays. So no Pam or any of that kind of stuff. Those 3 things will void the warranty. But it is a unique piece. Like I said, we use it all the time, just because it's so fast and everything comes out of it is so good. So I thought I'd share with you though real quickly how easy it was to make the banana bread, and it was literally just these ingredients. So 1 egg, 1 ripe banana, a little bit of vanilla, some melted butter, and then also having in there baking soda, and a little bit of flour and a little bit of sugar, and that was it. And it was between 7 and 9 minutes in the microwave. All microwaves are different, so until you get kind of accustomed to the temperature of yours. But mixing all that together, and I didn't bring my whip and mix over here, but I actually used that to make it in, pour it in there, 7 to 9 minutes in the microwave. I did this one in about 8 minutes actually. So, and I just had another little tiny sliver piece out of there. It's really, really good for 8 minutes in the microwave. So anyway, but I'm just in closing, I wanted to share with you too, because we do have openings right now in Tupperware. In case you haven't heard, we did restructure. So we are the new Tupperware company with a startup mode, but we have almost 80 years of experience. And so our business kit that we have right now actually tells a story, because these are from a long time ago. Do you remember these? In the vintage colors, our servaliers that you push in the middle, this comes in that set. This set actually did just come out for sale today, just a couple hours ago, but this comes in the kit. So does one of the silicone bags, and this is one of the stand-up bags, so it can go in the refrigerator, the freezer, even the microwave and the oven and the dishwasher, you guys. I just put a banana in there so that you could see that they're clear on one side and then a little opaque on the other side, but they will stand up, and they have several different sizes of the silicone bags and even a couple of different styles, some that are more flat. One of the popcorn makers, and the popcorn maker has the built-in colander right here in the front, and it flattens down for easy storage. So if I flatten it down, and it is all silicone, but it is transportable, obviously. You could take it with you on vacation, and a little snack cup of kernels, no oil, no butter, nothing is needed for that. You get 2 of the One Touch Fresh containers. These have a little button also that you just press in the middle to seal it, but you get an oval one and you get a square one. You also get the Shape-O toy, which this has been around again since 1969. So this kit really does tell a story from way back when, and then one of our Fridge Smart containers, which are for the fruits and vegetables, and it has that slide on the top so it regulates the oxygen in and out of the container. But all of this is part of the deluxe business kit that's featured online right now for $119. And it does open up your kit or account so that you get 25% off of everything for yourself, but you also make 25% of everything you sell. So if you're selling at a party, as an example, because we do still love doing parties, you have a bag that you can carry everything in, and the average party is about $500. So your take home on that is $125, and it's fun. I mean, you can make banana bread in less than 10 minutes at the party, and that's the refreshment. So anyway, I just wanted to hop on real quickly. I wanted to help Vicki along with her party before we close it out. If you guys have questions about anything, please feel free to ask. I'm available to help out. So have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.